Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk to you about the Microsoft Azure Career Path and related technology certifications. Choosing the right certification is very important to succeed in your career. So we have created a new series, Boost Your Career with Cloud Tagna Strategies. This is the first episode. We will provide you with great insights into various Azure technology certifications that are available for you to choose from. And this will also help you to sharpen your skills and stay competitive in the market. There are three certification tracks: Fundamental, Associate and Expert. In next few minutes, we will go through all the certifications and see what's inside these certifications. AZ900. This is the exam code for Azure Fundamentals. In this certification, you get an understanding on various Azure products in a very high level. Also, you can gain good amount of knowledge from the security, privacy, compliance, support and cost management perspective. So we suggest everyone should have an understanding on this certification irrespective of your day-to-day job. And this is a suitable candidate for non-technical professionals as well. AZ104. This is the exam code for the Azure administrators. In this certification, one can get an understanding on various infrastructure products such as networking, storage, virtual machines, data protection, governance and monitoring, and some aspects of platform as a services as well. All system administrators, network administrators should gain this certification to strengthen their career. AZ204. This is the exam code for the Azure developers. In this certification, one can get an understanding on developing cloud native applications using the app services, Azure SQL, Cosmos DB and container platforms such as Kubernetes services. So this certification is suitable for the developers. AZ500. This is an exam code for the Azure security engineers. In this certification, one can get an understanding on various identity protection features, securing cloud solutions and managing security operations center. So this certification is suitable candidate for the security professionals. However, we suggest developers and administrators also take this exam. So far, we looked at the role-specific certification. Now let's move on to the expert level certification. AZ400. This is an exam code for the DevOps engineer. In order to attend the AZ400, you should have either passed AZ104 or AZ204. And this is the prerequisite for this exam. In this certification, one can get an understanding on the DevOps approach, such as managing the application source code, building applications using the continuous integration, continuous deployment pipelines, automating the test cases using the DevOps toolsets. So DevOps is all about combining your development and operation teams to support your application delivery even better. So we suggest all administrators, developers, project managers should take this exam. Eventually, all companies will adopt the DevOps culture to make their team more agile. This is the last one, Microsoft Certified Azure Solution Architect. In order to achieve this certification, you need to pass two exams, that is AZ303 and AZ304. So now let's see what's inside AZ303 and AZ304. AZ303, Azure Architect Technologies. In this exam, one can gain understanding on various Azure products across application, infrastructure, data, identity solution, mainly from the implementation perspective. The second exam, AZ304, in this exam, one can gain skills mainly from the designing perspective, So like designing storage solution, designing identity solution, designing monitoring solution, developing business continuity strategies. So these two exams are designed for those who aspires towards become a cloud solution architect. That being said, certifications are the first step to accelerate your career. We highly recommend you to choose the right certification that are most aligned to your current role and your career aspirations. We hope this video is informative. If you like this video, please do let us know your feedback. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode.